In this video we have all new Oppo F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Usually when we use our phone by one hand, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach the top of the screen and open any app, but there is a feature by which you can easily open any app with single hand. So let me show you how you can enable this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, simply swipe from the left like this and it will drag all the apps in the corner around your thumb. And now select the app you want to open and leave it right there, and it will open that specific app. This phone comes with 3 air gestures as well, so you can use your phone without even touching it. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on additional settings. Scroll down and then click on gesture and motions. Scroll a little, there you will see the option of air gestures. Click on this. Now there are 3 features. You can answer or mute your call. Click on this and then enable this. Now if you want to answer your call, simply show your palm to the phone and move it away. It will answer your call. And if you want to mute your call, then simply show your palm to the phone and then keep it for a few seconds, then it will mute your call. So you can enable this air gesture. The second one is scroll up or down. If you enable this, then you will be able to scroll down Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, other application by just showing your palm and hand like this. Firstly you have to show your palm, then it will enable the air gesture, and then you can scroll any social media app without touching your smartphone. This third air gesture, that is play or pause video. If you enable this, then firstly you have to show your palm like this, and if you will move your palm to the left, then it will play or pause your videos. So you can enable these gesture and enjoy these as well. There's a feature of floating window in this smartphone that will give you experience of your desktop or your laptop. With the help of this feature, you can keep on using your smartphone and it will keep a application in a floating window. Let me show you how you can use this. Simply open any app, then put it in recent tab and then click on these 3 dots. There you will see the option of floating window. Click on this. Now you can see it will start floating. You can also resize this. You can also drag it anywhere you want. And now you can also keep on using your phone as usual and it will remain there. You can monitor your real-time internet speed in the smartphone without downloading any third-party app. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification status bar, then click on status bar. There you will see the option of real-time internet speed. Simply enable this, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. Using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach to the top of the screen and open this control panel. But there is a feature by which you can open this control panel very easily. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. Scroll down. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. By default it is selected to shelf. You have to select this third option, notification drawer. Click on this. Now whenever you are on home screen, simply swipe down on the empty area and it will open your control panel. There is a feature of clear voice in this smartphone as well. So whenever you are in crowded area, then it will out or filter out the background noise and give you a clear and crisp call voice. So if you want to enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on sounds and vibration. Now scroll to the bottom. There you will see the option of clear voice. Click on this and enable this. Now it will filter out your background noise while you are on a call. You can also clone any app or dual any app in this smartphone. By this feature you can use 2 different accounts of a single application in the smartphone. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app cloner. Click on this. It will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone and are clonable. Then select the app you want to clone and then click on create clone. It will take few seconds, then it will create the clone of the app. Now you can see here there are 2 Facebooks and you can log in with 2 different accounts of a single application. In this smartphone you can also easily lock your app. To do this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom, there you will see the option of app lock. Click on this. Firstly, enable app lock. Now you have to set a privacy password. To do this, simply click on settings. Now you can set a 6-digit password, or if you want to use a different password type, click on use a different password type. You can select pattern, alphanumeric, etc. Here I select pattern. Now draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now it will ask for a security question. Type it here and then click on this right icon. Now select the app you want to lock. Here I want to lock my Chrome. And now whenever you will open your Chrome application, it will ask for that privacy password. So that's how you can lock any app in this smartphone. You can also easily hide any app in this smartphone as well. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Come to the bottom, there you will see the option of hide app. Click on this. Now you have to set a privacy password, but you have already done this. Simply draw your privacy password. Now select the app you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my Facebook and my files. Simply click on this. But keep in mind, you have to set an access code as well to access your hidden apps. To set it, simply click on settings. Now type a access code, but you have to start your access code with hash and end it as well with hash. Here I select hash 123 hash and then click on this right icon. Click on done. As I said, I want to hide my Facebook and files. Click on this. Now you won't be able to see files or Facebook in your menu. Now to access your hidden app, simply open your dialer and then type your access code and it will show your hidden apps. So that's how you can also hide and access your hidden app in the smartphone. If you want to increase the life of your battery, then there's a feature of smart charging in the smartphone as well. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery. Scroll down, there you will see the option of smart charging. Simply enable this. Now it will charge your phone up to 80% normally, then take a little extra time to charge it to 100%. So it will increase your battery life and so you'll be able to use your phone a little longer as well. In special features, you will see the option of split view as well. So this feature, you can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open any application, then swipe up by using 3 fingers. It will open the split screen. Now select the second app you want to use. As you can see, I can use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen by using this feature, split view. This phone comes with smart sidebar feature as well, so you can access your favorite app very easily. Simply open your settings, scroll down and there you will see the special features. Click on this and then click on smart sidebar. Click on get started and now enable smart sidebar. Now you will see a little transparent bar on the right side of your phone. Simply swipe to the left and it will open your sidebar. Now you can edit your sidebar as well. Click on edit. Now select your favorite app here. You can also delete any app you want to remove from here. For example, I don't want my calculator here. Simply click on this negative icon and then click on done. You can also enable this double tap to lock your smartphone and double tap to wake your screen up feature as well. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of double tap to lock. Enable this and then scroll down. There you will see the option of double tap to wake or turn off screen. Simply enable this as well. By default they are disabled. Now whenever you're on home screen, you can double tap on the empty area to lock your smartphone, and you can also double tap on the smartphone to turn on your home screen. If you will long press your power button, then it will open the Google Assistant application instead of your power menu. You can open your power menu by just pressing your volume up and power button at the same time. It will open the power menu. But if you want to change your long press power button to power menu, then simply go to your settings, scroll to the bottom and then click on additional settings. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of power button and click on press and hold the power button. By default it is selected to voice assistant. Click on power menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will open the power menu. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in the smartphone. The first one is to swipe down by using your 3 fingers. You can also just simply tap with your 3 fingers. Then you can take a screenshot of a specific area by this gesture. Click on this right icon to save your screenshot. You can also press your volume down and power button at the same time to click a screenshot. There's a feature of screenshot in your status bar as well. Simply click on this, then it will click a screenshot. If you want to click a long screenshot, simply click a normal screenshot and then click on scroll. Adjust the length of the screenshot by scrolling and then click on done. So these are the ways by which you can click a screenshot in this smartphone. You can also read any deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and that too without downloading any third-party app. To do this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification and status bar. Scroll down and then click on more settings. There on the bottom you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this. Now it will save all the notification. It will come to your smartphone and you can read it here. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.